Yuma's preferred automotive locksmith specialist, serving all of Yuma. What's up, guys? Brandon here with Affordable Security Locksmith and Alarm Company. Are you guys looking for Toyota car key makers in Yuma, Arizona? You come to the right place. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go to vehicle selection. And Toyota Corolla. And it's 2010 bladed. Gonna connect to the vehicle. Turn the ignition on. We're going to program keys. We are Yuma's preferred automotive locksmith service. Call today to get service at 928-580-2775 or visit us online at 580-2775.com.